Okay, it's my trade recap for Monday, June 22nd. Pretty hectic day. I took an L Sunday night. Let's just look at that real quick. It was right here, Asia market open on a Sunday. Price was going up, and eventually it needs to come down. We had new week opening gap here. It got completely filled. Even came past it a little bit, and started to get price looking a little exhausted on the RSI, and then we came down. We got this like 2-minute IFVG right here. Yeah, bang. 2-minute IFVG. I went short, and then I put my stop like right here, and I even adjusted it too because I had it right on the line. And then I adjusted it to like a point past, and on Wealth Charts, the platform I trade on, because we got like almost perfect equal highs here, but on Wealth Charts it went up like 2 ticks and stopped me out. So that was fucking frustrating. It was literally stopped me out, but literally by the tick, and then had like a full run down for 90 points. Not that I would have held it that long, but yeah, it would have been a nice trade. It was only 21 points of drawdown. Yeah, so that was pretty frustrating. So it was like a small loss. I think I was a small size, and I don't even know where my entry was. I think I even had like a decent entry on it. Wasn't even 20 points of drawdown, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so that was the L there. We were delivering, yeah, just out of this, there's like a 15-minute candle coming down here, and it was the new week opening gap. But we also had an SMT off of these highs on ES. I'm pretty sure it was this it was from there to there, and on ES it was like that. Obviously that's what a fucking SMT is, but you get the point. So that's what we had, and yeah, so that was A+ for me, and got stopped out by the tick. Sucks balls. What do you do? Yeah, so I was coming into Monday red because that's how it carries over on Wealth Charts. Monday or Sunday counts as Monday, so I'm coming into Monday with negative P&L, and yeah, let's get into it. So right off the jump, price goes up. This was kind of shit to read because price comes up, taps this hourly gap. That's what this purple box is. We got an hourly gap, market open, taps it. No 1-minute IFVG, just literally like a bearish engulfing candle, pretty much. Just a huge green candle, huge red candle. Comes down and taps this unmitigated 15-minute gap. Holy fuck. Yeah, we got this unmitigated gap right here. So price comes down. So we tap the 1 hour and hit the unfilled 15-minute. So now I'm like, I don't know what's next. Like maybe all-time highs, I guess. Like clearly we have to hit all-time highs because those were all the draws for the day. We swept this high. We have this hourly untapped gap, and we already hit it. So I'm like, I don't even know what our draw on liquidity is even anymore. Maybe like these London lows, like all this stacked up LR, maybe that's our draw. I don't know. But then we get a 1-minute IFVG, and I go, okay, well, I guess this could work to all-time highs. So I took it. I got a shit entry too because I hesitated. I came in here, so like, what was that? Yeah, it could have been another 15, whatever, 12 points. Well, whatever, it doesn't even fucking matter. Actually, it probably does. I might have closed it if I had another 15 points, because all I wanted was a little more points. Because we already tapped the 1 hour. I was like, are we going back to tap the 1 hour again? Maybe, I don't know. But I'm like, I feel like we need all-time highs here, so it's probably going to keep going because we tapped it once. We're displacing through these highs. This looks pretty bullish to me, so I held on to it. I fucking held on to it, unfortunately, because this trade sucks. Like if we're gonna go to the swing low, that's 103 points. This is like the most negative RR trade on earth. Even if you went right off the bat, you still have a negative RR trade. Like, yeah, we're up here to get our 1-to-1. But yeah, I entered late, but whatever, still doesn't matter. And I held it, and then I closed it like right here for like fucking 8 points or something. It was brutal. Super frustrating. So I'm crashing out already because because if I had just closed it, I would have been in profit for the day and I would have been able to like walk away, whatever. Because of that Sunday's L that I took. But yeah, so I completely just did a fucking round trip on like $300 P&L and walked away with like $30 on that trade. So I'm like already about to crash out. And then so we got price diverging on the RSI here. I'm looking, I'm like, fuck, you know what? I bet we're gonna short this. But then all-time highs is right here. That's that blue line going flat here. Didn't hit it. Also didn't, ES was nowhere near all-time highs. But yeah, we didn't hit it. We missed it by like 5-10 points or something. And then we get this 2 minute. This is a 2 minute IFVG. And I'm like watching it. And I'm like already crashing out because of how frustrated I am and like taking L's and then round tripping that first trade. But we get a 2 minute here and I go, damn, should I take that? And boy, should I have taken that. Got a 50-point stop. All-time highs is here, so it's like, am I going to be shorting all-time highs literally by the tick? Like, probably not. So I was like, maybe we come back up and we get like a money sweep manipulation. But not the case. We just end up dumping. We don't even get like a little confirmation trigger hump here to like tap back into this first presented 1 minute. It just dumps straight down. Just dumps straight down. Rejects out of this 1 hour gap. Actually, you know what? We actually also inverse this 1 hour gap because that's 7 a.m. right here. So yeah, we even got a closure above this 1 hour gap, this untapped gap. So I was like, with that, I was like, probably don't want to short this just because all-time highs is there and we just inversed the first presented bearish gap. But didn't matter. We just dumped. And then I tried to get an entry. And I can't even remember what I traded here. I think I took a trade and lost. Or no, I won. I just took a quick trade and got my money for the day and then walked away. Yeah, maybe it was here or something. Let's take a look. Yeah, you know what? I think it was like right here. Maybe. Yeah, I think I went short like here, and then I wrote it down like just a couple points, and then I got out. But yeah, I should have held it. I only got out because yeah, we were all-time highs, 1 hour closed, and already mitigated these gaps. But yeah, it turns out we did need to go lower. But yeah, just a shitty day. I don't know what else to say other than it just wasn't my day for trading. Kind of tough, but yeah, I think that's it for now.